Greetings to the family, greetings to the family. Welcome to another episode of Uncle Barbers. It's me, your barber, Mr. Lee. Today we're going to be doing the Wahl Hero versus the Wahl Detailer. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share this video. And bless to you all. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with the specifications. The Wahl Hero has a rotary motor. It weighs only 4.6 ounces. The length of the trimmer is 4.25 inches. The cord is 8 foot, professional grade, chemical resistant. Accessories that comes with this trimmer, you get 3 T-blade guards, a pro set tool, oil, cleaning brush, instructions, and the red blade guard. And the voltage is 120 volts to 60 hertz. Okay. Now onto the Wahl Detailer. It has the rotary motor as well. It's a little bit heavier. It's 6.9 ounces. The length is 5 inches. The cord is an 8 foot professional grade, chemical resistant. The accessories that come with this is the 3 T-blade guards, a 1/16 guard and a 3/16 guard. It comes also with oil, cleaning brush, instructions, and a red blade guard, and it has an identical voltage, which is 120 volts to 60 hertz. Okay. Both of these trimmers in the box, they come with a Wahl trimmer adjustment tool. So if you've got the standard blade, it will come with the standard size, and if you've got the wide blade, it will come with the wide size as well. It's pretty straightforward. There's a lot of YouTube videos online that show you how to zero gap your trimmers with this tool. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to compare the two blades. On my left, we've got the adjustable T-shaped trimmer blade. The 1062 to 600 adjustable blade set is intended for the professional use only and is designed to deliver the sharp performance that experts demand. This is the standard replacement blade for the Wahl Detailer 5-star Hero, 5-star Razor Edger, and the G-Wiz. The styling definitions. Package contains 1 professional T-shaped trimmer blade set, a 1062, oil, screws, and instructions. The trimmer around the face, ears, and neckline with the T-shaped blade. These blades are adjustable to 0 gap for a precision cut, and they're made in the USA. Okay, so on the right hand side, we've got the extra wide T-blade. Again, the 2215 adjustable wide blade is specifically designed to provide an extremely close trim. It creates a crisp, clean line that will keep your customers coming back. The extended blade cutting area produces faster results for ultimate efficiently, ideal for facial hair and design. It allows you to get creative while keeping clean lines. The T-blade, the TY blade is a quarter wider than Wahl's, a quarter wider than Wahl's standard T-blade with adjustable with 0 overlap capabilities, and it fits the 5-star Detailer, and it also fits the Hero as well, and all the rest of the trimmers that was listed in the previous. Okay, so now we're going to look at the design. This actually looks really nice. It feels nice. It feels quite premium. One of the issues that I was having is that the power button is on the bottom, which can be a pain. The cord at the bottom, it does tend to have a short. It can short quite easily when you keep using it, etc., etc. So I would advise that you maybe get the stronger cord for it. But apart from that, this is a beautiful looking trimmer. Okay. The Academy Hero, it's almost like a miniature Wahl Senior. It feels really nice in your hand. It's really lightweight. It does feel very cheap, if I'm honest with you. But apart from that, I have no qualms with this. Actually, the cord, very strong, etc., etc. And yeah, overall, it feels really good in your hands. Very maneuverable when you want to do patterns, lines, designs, etc. Okay, now we're gonna do a quick sound check. From this video, you will hear the sounds, and maybe you can kind of gauge in your head how fast the motor is running and how powerful the trimmer is, okay? Okay, now we're going to look into the performance. We're going to see how these things work in real time. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to show you how it works in just bolting out the sides. And through this, you might be able to can tell how strong it would be in terms of lining ups and stuff. So first up is the Wahl Detailer. And bear in mind, guys, the Wahl Detailer has the standard blade on it, and my Wahl Academy Hero has the TY blade on it. Okay, it snagged a little bit there because I had something caught in the blade. But let's see. Okay, my little summary is, so we got on the left the Wahl Academy Hero, the lightweight, the very ergonomically designed. The blade, in my opinion, moves much faster. It's got a stronger cord, but the only thing is it feels quite cheaply built. The Wahl Detailer, I feel that the motor is actually stronger, but I don't feel it moves as fast as the Wahl Hero. It's less comfortable to use, you know, because there's the shape and you have the button at the bottom. The power lever is in an awkward position, as I was saying. The cord tends to fray easily and short, as I was saying before, but it does feel more premium. So with my conclusion, the winner is, to me, the trimmer that always performs and hits every time. My go-to is nice and light. I use it for designs, for patterns. I can bold the area much faster, has to be. The Wahl Hero is my choice. Family, let me know what you think. Let me know what your experience are with these two trimmers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, I hope you got what you could get out of this video. So anyway, don't forget, family, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, put your comments down below, let me know you're interested, and stay tuned for more videos from Uncle Barber. Cuts on doorsteps every day. Peace out. Bless.